This video is going to show you how to do the wiring and how it displays. Firstly, we need to connect these three groups of wire. They are battery, PV, and DC loading. And then we can turn it on. Now we can see the display. The time is displayed at the top, and we can see the working state. It shows the voltage and power of the PV and the battery. And here is the DC loading. Now let's see how it works. Last but not least, please make sure that the power and the open circuit voltage of the solar panel and the controller are matched, or it will not work normally. If you would like to know more details, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.